Hello everyone, so I just wanted to go over my project with you guys. So for the assistive technology implementation, we do have a young lady, Jessica Isabella, that's 8 years old. She was diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder, and her biggest challenge is spelling and reading comprehension. So for our program, what we're going to do is during guided reading, we're going to use an audiobook that's going to help Jessica understand what is being read to her, because her comprehension is better than reading. When she reads, she doesn't necessarily understand, but when she gets a book read to her with the questions read to her, then she does better. So for her environment, it will be at school, a small group. After carpet time, and we break off into small groups. Jessica will sit with the teacher at a different table with 2 other students. That's kind of further away from the classroom, so it's easier for her not to be distracted, as well as somewhere where, in case she does feel like she needs to wiggle in her seat, she can wiggle without a problem. So when it comes to guided reading, so the first step is that the teacher will introduce the book and the important parts of the book, like the cover, the author, the illustrator. We'll also look at the pictures in the book to determine what the book may be about. The kids can take turns to talk to each other about who they think the main character is and why did the author write this book. Then from there, after that, each student will read a page from the book. So each one will get a chance to read. So with Jessica, she will read, but what she would do is that she will follow along with her digital reader. So with her audiobook, as it plays, she will go ahead and follow along with the printed words to help her make those connections between the printed words and what's being read to her. So when it comes time to Jessica to do her comprehension questions, she's going to use a spell checker to help her with spelling. Also, what the spell checker does is that it allows her to pick words that are going to be able to make more sense in her writing. Along with her wiggle in her seat, she's going to have a wiggle seat, so that way it's like a fidget for her, so she'll be able to fidget in her seat safely without hurting herself or without hurting anyone else. So the next thing I wanted to show you was my interactive PowerPoint. So with this PowerPoint, we see that we have vegetables and fruits and other fruits here, and then it's going to help them sort and classify. So on this side here, we have some blue fish, and we also have some 4-legged friends that are here. So these 4-legged friends, we can go ahead and add them here, because these are animals that you may, and then you can fix it. So these are animals with 4 legs, but here is an animal with 4 legs that can live in a house, a dog. Right, and they'll be able to sort and classify there. Another one is with shapes. Here we have triangles here with ovals, and then the students can go ahead and sort those through. And then we have another one with fish. Here's blue fish, and here's the yellow fish that the students can also work on to help them sort and classify. And this PowerPoint can be made with anything. It can also be made, you can use this Venn diagram as well to help with comparing, contrasting 2 things within a story, and you can just adjust it. Instead of having the fishes, you will just have maybe icons of the storybook characters or small paragraphs with the character words.